Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and today's a really exciting day because this project has been such a long one in the making. I'm going to be sharing with you today a beautiful living room design that I had the pleasure of doing for my dental hygienist and her family and her adorable little boys. Their space had a lot of potential, but it was a little bare. I think that we made this place so cozy and so much better. I think that you're going to really enjoy this one. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And I beg you, as always, to help out your girl, please, and subscribe to my channel below to see more awesome videos like this one. And if you really want to help out your girl, then hit that little bell button and it will give you like notifications every time I do a new video. And you're not going to want to miss some of these that are coming up. They are going to be so good. Check out what I do. When I first checked out Jill and Noah's space, I thought that they had a beautiful home. It was a brand new build in El Segundo, and it had great potential, but I felt like it was lacking something. It felt kind of cold and bare, and I noticed that every other space in their home was like a green or a blue tent, but I could see elements of their style. They had some like industrial kind of vibes going on in here, and I wanted to continue that throughout the space, but I wanted to do that by adding some more warm tones and maybe just like some more different textures and cozy and just make it more inviting. They had this cute little patio off of the living room that really wasn't being used very much. They hardly ever sat out there, and we wanted to give this a little bit of an upgrade as well. I came up with a digital mood board for Jill and Noah's home. I knew that I wanted to add some different textures. I wanted to give them some more warmth into this space by adding warmer tone colors, but still keeping some of those industrial vibes. I had that wallpaper. Do you guys recognize that wallpaper? We didn't end up using it, but you may have seen it in another space. Also, sometimes the mood boards, they are just that. They are a mood. I work with the clients to come up with a plan that works best for them. I had mentioned to you that they love green, and we ended up coming up to a cool design compromise where we did some green, but adding some warmer tones. Sometimes my clients too are a little less visual and they really want to see things. So by creating some like mood boards of the pillows that we've chose and the color palettes really help them. I also created a design plan for the patio area. I found these really cool like wooden slats. They're almost like wooden tiles, and they really just are easy to use. They kind of snap into each other, and I thought, what an upgrade if we could add these to the patio. I came across this image on Pinterest and loved the idea of creating like a feature underneath their bar area in the kitchen. So I came up with a design in Adobe Illustrator to help them create this pattern underneath their bar area. I got really lucky working with Jill and Noah because they both love to do things on their own. Jill loves to paint and Noah likes to build things. This was also like kind of in the thick of our pandemic. So every time I came over, another wall was painted or another DIY project was done, and it just kind of worked out. And this was more of a project that was done under my direction versus me being in the thick of doing all the DIY myself. Styling shelves can be a little bit trickier and intimidating. They already had some pretty cool things, but I added some things that I found at Home Goods. I came across these cool coasters that they had as I was styling their space, and oh my gosh, you guys, look, it's a hummingbird. If you know me, you know that hummingbirds remind me of my Nana, and this just made me so happy. adorable. Why do I say stuff? Why? It was like almost so good. Ooh, maybe like it lasts, I don't know, May-ish? Maybe, I don't know. Don't quote me on that date. It's for one of my really good, it's not like a friend, but it is a friend now. What was I saying? Long one in the making. I think I started. Yep. Summer.
That's your first name?
My first name is Summer. My last name is